we're coming at you live from the Helmet Center today. We have our new service technician here, Arne. And hi Arne, would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Certainly. My name is Arne, and I'm originally from Norway. I've been riding motorcycles for 47 years. I have 9 bikes right now that I share with my wife, everything from GSXR 750s to BMW Triumph and Harley. I've been working on motorcycles since 1972, and I've enjoyed every day of that. The reason I live in Arizona is that I can ride my motorcycle every day of the year. If you have a bike that you'd be interested in coming in here for service, we can do European bikes, we can do Harleys, and also Japanese bikes. We can also look into maybe like a Moto Guzzi and an Aprilia for an oil change and tires and brakes. So I look forward to see you at the Helmet Center. My name is Arne. Thank you.
Thanks. We're very excited for him to join the team. Stop in, see, come back and check him out.